Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do cutting and stitching of circular palazzo. For that you will require 2.5 meter fabric. For cutting of circular palazzo, first of all fold your fabric toward lengthwise. So this is my fabric, I have folded towards lengthwise. So after folding of fabric like this is my unfold side, and now fold this side to make the fabric in triangular shape. I have folded my fabric in triangular shape. Now I will mark the measurements. For waist area, mark the measurement, that is 1/4 of your round hip, and I will mark 13 inches. After this measurement, I will mark the crotch area on this side. Crotch length is 10 inches. Width is 1.5 inches. Make a straight line over here. And on this point I will make a crotch curve. So this is my crotch area, and now I will mark the length. My length requirement is 35 inches. From this point I will mark 35 inches. And now I will mark the length point from the second point. So these are my 2 points of length. Now I will join these 2 points in, and on this area I will attach the extra fabric from the leftover fabric, and now I will mark the seam allowances of half inches on all the measurements, like on length half inches, on waist area half inch, and on crotch half inch. Mark the seam allowances of half inch and cut your fabric from that measurement. So this is cutting of my palazzo, and now I will cut this part. And now after this I will attach the extra fabric on bottom of my length. So this is my leftover fabric, and now I will attach this fabric. After placing the fabric on your skirt, now you have to mark the measurement according to your skirt. So I have roughly marked the measurement. Now I will cut according to this measurement. I have cut my fabric, and you will require 2 pieces like this. So this is cutting of my circular palazzo, and now I will do stitching. For stitching, first of all you have to attach the extra fabric. So this is my extra fabric. I will attach my extra fabric on bottom of my length like this. So this is 2-piece fabric. First I will attach on one side like this. For attaching, place right side of my fabric and right side of my fabric on both the side. Right side with right side, and apply a stitch over here to attach. I have attached the extra fabric on bottom on both sides. Now I will attach the crotch area, right side with right side, and now apply a stitch over here to attach the crotch area on both the sides. I have attached the crotch area. Now I will apply a stitch over here. You have to apply a stitch from here to here to attach this part. So I have applied a stitch over here. To attach belt, first of all measure your area. This is 45 inches. This is 45 inches long and width is 3.5 inches. I am using this elastic which is 1.5 inches wide. Place it like this and apply a stitch over here. After attaching the piece of belt on circular palazzo, then fold your fabric. Then you have to fold it like this and attach it. So after attaching, I have inserted the elastic. Now you have to do hemming or picot on the bottom of your palazzo for finishing, and after that my circular palazzo is ready. Hope you have understood this tutorial. This is very easy and simple way to make the circular palazzo.